你先出镜，我先出镜。
你先等一下，这没亮，我的又不行了。
哇，我感觉你这个清晰好多呀，我这个怎么这么？不用啊。
那不是老晃吗？
但是我们要这样才方便。
对，因为有时候看底部啊，看历史。
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome。我们在。
你先，我不行。开。
Hello, welcome, 明后。
看发送目录。
OK。把它发一下。看到我吗？
呀，这什么意思啊？想发送名片。OK。
Hello, this is Grace from Yide Machinery. We have many types of candle machine. Please tell me which machine you're interested in. In here we can see many wax melter can. This is wax melter can, and we have many different capacity of the wax melter tank. There is 200 meters.
等一下 ，wait， 你这里这 YouTube 上面特别多人，要不把这个插到这边来？这个
可以啊。没有吧？这个。
黄色是什么意思啊？
它就是在闪。
刚刚不是绿色吗？
你就对好我，看得到吧？
嗯。
Hello, we have many types of candle machine. Please tell me which machine do you interested in? 不知道有没有声音哦。You can see here we have many types of machine. This is opposite wax melter filling machine, and this is a very easy to movement. 有没有人跟我讲话的？If you have any problem, please feel free to.
什么的？
Hi, thank you. 是我很美。You can see we have this. Also have this machine, and here is a universal valve, and it's very easy to movement in the workshop. And also this have many different capacity. This is 200 liters, and this is also a 200 liters. And you can see we can equip with a mixed pump and a wax pump.
谈谈价格。
How about price? We have in fact we have many types of machine, and different machine have different price. Maybe you can message me, and I will tell my colleagues to tell you the price. 要谈谈价格。And you can see this. 要报价是，我现在不可以报吧？这个怎么看着？
这边那块报警。这边。微信
发你的微信给他。You can see it.
什么意思啊
？Please send your WeChat to me, and I will tell my colleague to add you. And also we have this are very important machine. This is a wax and fragrance wax melting and filling machine. You can see. 这是个香精。
这是保温的，就是他们用完这个之后 ，installation function。
我以为是一个独立的香精泵。And we have also have this.
我们需要你向我展示简单的机械装置。
简单的机械装置。
那就是容纳那个小的吧？DIY 吗
？In fact, please tell me you need to melt, filling, or inserting the wax. Then I will introduce the machine to you. I can maybe this machine. This is a desktop filing machine. It's only have
我等会就不出镜了。
可以 It's only have 10 liters. 我拍我就拍我吧，没事。
好。
And it is directly melt the wax. And then you can 这是出蜡的口吧
Yeah.
This is the wax outlet. You can put your jar in here, and then it will fill in your jar. And we also have this DIY wax melter and filter, and you can see it is an insider.
对于初学者，
For the now I introduce this two machine is very useful for the new beginner. You can see it have a function of wax melting, and it can also fill the wax. And then you can put your jar into here, and this pump will fill in the wax to the jar. It's very easy to
背面
operate.
还有一个出口。
And in the forward, it also have a output. You can see.
往右边，往左边。This is the outlet of
This
wax.
is also an outlet for the wax.
诶，他是中国人。
不是啊，是你翻译了吧？你取消一下翻译。
咋取消？
名字就不像中国人。谁去加一下他呀？
我跟他们发一发吧。
嗯。
哎，我不会取消翻译，自己。
Please wait a moment. We are also a new beginner of the YouTube, so we are in deal with the here is a problem. 算了，等一下让他们加吧。And we can also have this white cutting
我
machine.
看到了，这是不是？
啊，
怎么截屏啊？
发给他们吧。And we also have this white cutting machine. We have two
可以退
types.
出来的吗？
不可以吧？我也不知道哎。You can see this is a servo motors, and it's very high 这个声音吗？
啊，没有吧？
静音。
现在是静音还是等刚
刚刚
啊？真的吗？
好像是。
啊，真的吗？
You can see we have many different capacity of the machine, and we can also operate the floor step vending machine and the stem step vending machine, and also we can equip with a tuning type vending machine, and each machine can operate equipped with the transfer pump and also have a mixing pump, and we can also 拿着。这不好移吧？
用那个移，那个有称重系统。
好 ，move it evening, move it very convenient。哦，
往回。
吓死我了。And we can see this vending machine. This is a semi-auto vending and melting machine. We can see it's a electric heating. And we can see here is a PLC touchscreen is very easy to operate. You can see we can turn on the power switch, and here is we have 2 different language, and we can also customize according to your needs. 哦，不要英语了。怎么？ And you can set the pumper rotation. 这是什么 rotation? Here inside and 转速。然后
你调到500，它的声音音量就更快一些。
When you change the pumping rotation to 500, the watts will be different, and you can see here is a parameter, and you can set the filling speed as your need. I will add one such as 100, and here is a filling speed. You can see such as a 2 minute 2 minute.
200 RPM 就是转速，200 RPM。
200 RPM, and
它不是只有一个。
we can
100 is slowly. Normally we recommend is 500 RPM is better. 就一般我们设置500会更好一些。
200那个是没有用的吧？
怎么啦？
快走快走。And we also have a reversal and a co-rotation speed. It can
他们说
看不到
很卡网哥YouTube是很卡的。
啊，
没办法呀，好像开了外网就这样。
YouTube 很卡是吧？
这个能看到吗？
这个也挺卡的。
啊
这个听没进去。
啊，
那你关掉用流量，关掉 WiFi 用流量试一下。
哎
关了。
，OK。This is a pump。这是只有一个泵吧，所以第二个泵是没有的吧？
你看你知道。
So we have a single pump. The pump is this. We can press it to turn on or turn
off, and then here is a 什么 disk 啊？我们自己公司。
这是手动模式的开或者关。
它不能变成
自动吗？
哦，这
啊，完了。
重试。
OK。
你忘了吗？
怎么转摄像头？
怎么镜头转过来了
？OK。
你搞不清楚了。
我搞不清楚，我不懂这个。
This is the filling the filling quantity. 我来拿那个吧。哎，我拿你这个。
你拿那个。
This is the
有
filling
人的
quantity. And this is the filling grind we 哎，是不是几十？This is the collect time we filling once, and this is the filling grind we set. Like this, we set 200. Can filling more, and the 哎，是哪个模式可以按这个 ？Auto mode 不是 ，Manual mode 可以。
你考虑东西还没来。
You can hear the sound. The corrotation is operate. And we have two models. This is the manual model now. 刚刚那个就是 manual model. And它的遥and the auto model.
Auto model 要用遥控器的时候是用什么模式啊？
手动。
自动模式才能用遥控器。
这现在显示的是绿色，就是自动模式是吗？We can use this controller to adjust.
哎，这没有那个。
没有
电池。
哦。
你可以按这个 program 按。
We can press it to stop the operation, and this is a mix pump. We can switch this to 它怎么不转呢？ We can switch this to adjust the mix speed like this.
mixer 的作用是什么呢？
The function of the mix pump is when the wax fully melted. The wax fully melted, we can through this mix pump and mix blended to make the wax more evenly, so we can get the high quality wax liquid. And this is the heating type is electric type. We can through this inlet to add the induction oil or water. And through this device, we can see the levels of induction oil or water. And this is the heating switch. We can turn on the power, then turn on the heating switch. Okay. When turn on the power switch, we can set the temperature as we needed. Like this. We normally set the temperature at 70. 我怎么说 ？Degrees. And when our finish the corrotation, we can turn on this. We can go through the reversal function to drain the remaining wax from the filling pipe. 咦，它不是这个样子的吗？它是这个样。Filter 就是过滤器。它那个
这个没有啊。
through this filter, we can get the more cleaning wax. Then I will invite all my colleagues to introduce other machines for you.
还说这个啊
Other machines.
Let me introduce. 是这个吧 This is a stand wax melting machine, and we can see. 那帮我拿着。We can see here is a power switch. We can only use one heat switch or use two heat switch. And then you can see here is a electric heating pump system, and we can also adjust the speed of the mixer. Here is a heating temperature controllers, and here is a wax temperature controllers. And we can see this is a mix pump motor. And here is the inside of the machine. You can see here is a mixer. It can mix the wax and fragrance in evening. It all uses the stainless steel material. And you can see it can move convenient in your factory or the workshop. And it have two heating pipe. We can if your hair is some damage, we can also send the part to you to change. And it's 什么独立的怎么来说
Independent.
It's independent. We can only hit one make temperature or both hit two temperature. And this machine's capacity is 100 liters. 我也好热啊，
还有多久？还有17分吗？
快让我结束。
我介绍一下那个吧。
哪个
Wax and filling fragrance, wax and fragrance filling machine. This is our star machine, and the wax and fragrance filling machine. This is a fragrance pipe. We can through this to add to mix the fragrance as we needed. And this is a filling. 完了，这是罐装头。Filling nozzle. When the arrow points in this, the fragrance and the box can mix through this to filling outlet. And this is the controller. We can press it. The box and fragrance can filling outlet 一起怎么说呀
Together.
Together, yeah. And this is a mix pump. It is very labor saving, like this. So it's very high efficiency and labor saving. We can through this to change our fragrance quickly within 5 minutes. And this is the electric heating type. This is the inlet of induction oil. And this is the outlet of wax, and this is the outlet of induction oil water. Through this device, we can see the levels of induction oil water. This is the industrial plug. We can And this is the installation tank. When we 暂停怎么说
Stop.
？We 那不是停止吗？短暂的停一下。We can when we stop our filling operation in short time, we can put the filling nozzle into this to get the installation function. This is the box and fragrance filling machine, and it's very popular in our factory.
Hey, 这两个是一样的呀。
对呀，相机机。And we have many types machine, such as melting tank, filling machine, and inserting machine, like wick cutting machine, wick dipping machine, and wick inserting machine. And this one is the box and the fragrance machine. We have the tea light. We also have the tea light product machine.
Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. We have many types of machine: the wax melter, the wax filling, and we also have the wax dipping machine, wax cutting machine, and some wax inserting machine. Please feel if you have any interest in of our machine, please feel free to contact me. And
Yes.
here is a 500-liter electric wax melter. And you can see it's have a PLC touch screen. It's very easy to operate. And you can see here is an outlet of the wax. You can transfer the wax out through this outlet, also the the wax pump. Sorry.
Transfer pump and transfer pipe. This is a
And inside this is a motor of the mixer pump. You can see the inside. Here is a mixer of the machine, and it can mix the pump, mix the wax and fragrance in. And you can all through our machine is used for the stainless steel material. And here is you can see we can also equip with a liber to you can transfer the wax inside very convenient.
Yeah. Yes. We have many kinds of machine. The melting tank, filling tank, inserting tank, and the wax and fragrance machine, or other kinds of. We have mic dipping machine, mic cutting machine. We have this is a square type melting tank. This is a motor of transfer pump, and this is a transfer pipe. We can through this to transfer our box to another barrel. This is the outlet of box to draining the remaining box from the bottom. And we can see this control panel. Firstly, we can turn on the power, then set the temperature as we needed. The upper is pure temperature and the lower is the setting temperature. We can press it to setting temperature as we needed. And then
你出镜了吗？
turn on
你刚在
the
那讲说你出镜了吗？
heater.
你自拍呀、
When the wax falling melted, we can turn on the mixer and switch this to adjust the mix speed, and then when the wax fully mixed, we can turn on the pump and the wax can transfer from this to another barrel. This is an industrial plug.我们可以根据你的需求确定电压怎么说。
We can customize the power supply according to your needs, and we can also equip with a transformer according to your local power supply.
We have many types. Square types, the 圆形。圆形怎么说？
We have my type of the wax vending machine. We have a circle type and the square type. Normally, we recommend the circle type because it's very convenient to clean, and there is no wax inside receipt.
And we have many types such as vertical type, movable type, floor type, and desktop type. If you have any question or which one you're interested in, please tell me. We can introduce in detail for you. Okay. Then we will introduce the.
We will introduce this vending machine. Its
installation type
is 17 liter. 拍我吧，没事。It's 17 liter, and we will see here is a reversal valve, and it's very convenient to movement. And you can see here is also a barcode. You can also stop the machine in your workshop. And you can see this electric heating system, and we can buy many different tanks from our, and then you can one frequency or one box only use one tank. And here is a PLC touch screen. It's very easy to convenient. This is you can see this is equipped of a single pump. We can also equip with a double pump. You can see this. This is a double pump. We are also equipped with two nozzles. And you can see this. We can also equip with a mixer pump in like this. This is the mixer, and it can mix the wax and the frequency evening.
And 他的稿子一个没念。
我也是。
飞机在那看着我，我都不看，很紧张。所以我那些 building operation 我全忘记了。Okay, then this is the square heating type, and the trolley type can make us to move this easily, like this. Very convenient to move this machine. And there have two pumps. We can equip with the filling pump or transfer pump as you needed. 就有2个人。
Hello, welcome. I introduce this square turning type box filling machine. Do you interested in? If you have any question, please feel free to contact me.
Yeah, which one do you interested in? We can introduce this in detail for you. This is a filling tank, melting tank, and this two is vertical type, and they are different capacity.
This is 40 liters, and this is a 100 liters capacity, and this we can also have 200 liters and have the 500 liters, 100 liters, 200 liters, and also we can provide the customer service to you.
And this is a movable type melting tank. Firstly, we can turn on the power, then set the box temperature and the heating temperature. The upper is curing temperature and the lower is setting temperature. We can press it to setting the temperature as we needed. And when the box fully melted, we can turn on the mixer and switch this to adjust speed. This two is the heating pipe. We can through this to heat the induction oil or water. This is the inlet of induction oil or water, and this is the outlet of wax. This is outlet of induction oil or water, and we can through this device, we can see the levels of induction oil or water. And we have many kinds of machines, such as melting tank, filling machine, and wick inserting machine, such as wick dipping machine, wick cutting machine, wick semi-auto inserting machine, and automatic box inserting machine. Which one do you interested in? We can introduce this in detail for you.
And we are from Yide Machinery, a top 3 automation candle manufacturer, and we have served more than 100 countries and serve more than 1,000 in factory. And we have a wax inserting machine, wax dipping machine, wax cutting machine, and wax melting machine, wax filling machine. And if you have any needs, you can contact me. And you can see here, we also have an exclusive machine for this. It is a wax and fragrance filling machine.
Wax and fragrance filling machine is very popular in our factory. If you have interest in our machine, please feel free to contact us. We can introduce this in detail for you. This is a melting tank, and on the other side, they have many types of filling machine, and they have many tea light machine.
And our machine have the double temperature controllers. It can monitor the wax temperature and the inside temperature of the oil and wax.
半分钟结束。
And you
Okay.
can see here is a deep sleep. It can monitor the inside oil and the motor situation.
Hello. Do you interested in our machine?
And we are going to close our live stream. If you have any question, please contact with our colleagues to get
Yes.
price.
We are 东莞
or
Yide
quotation.
Machinery.
Yeah, we are Dongguan Yide Machinery. This is base.
This is Vicky. Goodbye.
停整了。
卡住了吗？